Nan, babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Wings Project for sending us a generous delivery. If you just notice on our table, ang dami nating pagkain na we're gonna introduce as well as taste testing them. Let's get into it! They have 4 categories of food that they send to us. The pie pizza comes with some French fries. So the first one is corn olive pie pizza. Next is the pizza beef. They also have pizza ham. And then the last, all vegetable. So yung next naman na category is called pasta pizza wings supreme. It's like a sandwich, but yung pinaka feeling niya is a pasta. So the first one is a carbonara, the second one is a pesto, and then on top you have your like a pizza pan, and then lastly top it all off, hindi mawawala yung wings. Now the next category is the burgers and sandwiches. Flavors that they have are the New York style buffalo burger. We also have Korean style chicken sandwich. We also have sisig style sandwich. And then lastly, the classic style sandwich. All of the burgers comes with cherry tomatoes on top and an olive. For the price of 49 pesos. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung kanilang chicken wings. So yung salted egg and mayo garlic natin is a single order. It's only 149 pesos. Around 6 pieces na chicken. We also have the platter series. The flavor comes in sisig style chicken wings. We also have Korean style chicken wings. And then lastly, meron tayong buffalo wings platter. So these platters are only 349 pesos. It comes with free 1.5 liters of gotta taste them, at least one per category, no? So I think I'm gonna try itong kanilang sisig style chicken. That is really sisig tasting. They use organic ingredients, no powder flavoring. Okay, another dip before I jump to the other food. Another chicken I wanna taste is yung kanilang salted egg. This is really eye-appetizing for me, and at the same time, yeah, amoy na amoy mo talaga yung salted egg niya. Salted egg indeed. Wow, super duper like it. The chicken wing is so tender, plus, like I said, overflowing yung sauce nila, so that's a plus factor for me. Okay, for the burgers or the sandwiches, okay, let's taste it. That is a thick chicken fillet. So I want this cherry tomato plus one more bite. Wow! Okay, so another food that interests me is yung kanilang pie pizza. So this is their pie pizza corn olive. Yeah, let's taste it. This is the first time I'm gonna be tasting a pie pizza. So, yung pie crust natin has multiple texture ng crust. Actually, this one's so refreshing, no? For their pasta pizza wings supreme, I'm gonna taste pesto. Meron tayong pasta in between. See that? You have your pasta in between. This is really flavorful, no? So you have very green pesto, and then again, sabi ko nga sa inyo, meron tayong pan pizza and some more chicken. Where anyway, I'm gonna taste this one later. Let's just move on to the other chicken wings. I wanna taste yung kanilang mga iba pang flavor. So I think this is the Korean style. And then lastly, this is their buffalo wings. These are very trendy. Ngayon pa lang nakita yung mga ganitong pagkain. Yeah, so good job for that idea. objective is to offer varieties of delicious product that suit for the taste of all ages. So they offer delicious food with an affordable price. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Again, we would like to thank Wings Project for sending us food. For those of you who like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and stay safe, stay at home. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Peace out. Bye-bye.